In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful drop, like from this, to this. This is the chord that we created in first video of this series. For creating the bass notes, I will just copy the lowest key notes of the chords to the bass instrument. I created a bass using a simple square wave with some saturation on it. Just to make it more interesting, I will make some glide effects in the bass, so that it will sound like it's talking. Now, my purpose is to make the chords sound like they are the harmonic parts of the bass. For that, I will use gating effect by using Fruity Keyboard Controller. Make sure you check note off value to 0. And set the trigger value to 0.8. Now I link the controller to the volume of bass. For that, I will use Fruity Love Filter's output volume knob. So now, whenever I send MIDI signal from my keyboard, it will turn up the volume. Let's create a gate pattern in piano roll. Now to make the bass and chords sound together, I will do the same with the chords volume. So this is how they sound together. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.